So now in the next video we'll see how in the last video we have seen how to create these routes, okay, and how also to create nested routes. So if I go to one here, now you can see this page one. So now we'll see how we'll design these pages and finish the application. So we'll design the pricing and the blog page. And the nested block page as well. So now we will install the component. So I'm going to install this blog component for my blog page. So blog listing one. So I'm going to use this command over here, paste this, and this will install the blog 7 component into my application. So if it's installing the dependencies, and you can see that my blog 7 is installed. So now in this page what I'm going to do is I'm going to include that component. So I will say import blog 7 from this. Okay, then I'm going to use this. Okay, blog 7. Okay, I'm going to use this. And now if we go to our page, if I go to the blogs, you can see that the blog listing is now there. But there is also an extra spacing that we need to remove. So we're going to the code and we are going to remove that spacing by reducing py over here to 5. And let's save this, and we can see now it looks clean and we have the blog component. So these are the blog posts that we have. Okay, now to create a pricing, we'll have to go to the pricing page. Pricing. Now we'll go to the pricing page and we'll copy this component over here, and we will include this component in the application. Okay, we have installed this, and now we will include this into our pricing page. So we'll import this component that we installed. Import pricing 4. Okay, and we will use this. Okay, we will use this pricing block over here, and if we load our pricing now, we can see that the pricing is also come. So again we will go and reduce the spacing between these blocks. So if I go here and I reduce the spacing, if I say this 5 and save this, so you'll be able to see the spacing. Okay, now we have blog, pricing, and a home page which looks clean, and we'll also create a small page for this. Once we click this, we go to this page. So we'll create a page that is blog/1. So we'll have some block. So we will find a component for this, like we can say feature block or something like that. So let's see what it loads. It's taking some time. Okay, we can see that we have a feature blocks. So we can put okay, I'm just going to put this. I'm just going to put feature 73 there. So I'm going to copy the command and I'm going to install this. So once it is installed, then we can import this. Okay, let's import this feature 73. Feature 73. Let's import this on the top. So feature, import feature 73 from this, and then we are going to include it here. Okay, and we are just going to put a p tag here that will say blog page slug. Okay, so we are going to use this, and then if we check our page now, that we can see that a feature block has been added. Okay, so and the spacing also, we will clean the spacing. We'll remove the spacing from py 32 to will make it 5, so there is a clean spacing between the blocks. So we can see that the page has been loaded here, and next what we can do is we can also put this page over here. So we have this feature 73 here, and we have this blog 7. So we'll go to the blog 7. We'll go to the navbar first, and we will copy the link. Okay, we need this link over there, and if we go to the blog 7, okay, we can add that here link. Okay, we can add the link there, and then we can use the link over here. So we just copy this link, and we can use it here. Okay, like this. Then we can also use it in the other places like this. I'm going to remove the h blank. I'm going to use this here as well. I'm going to remove the target attribute. Same goes to target attribute here. Okay, and I'm going to say here blog/1, blog/2, and blog/3. So we need a forward slash here as well. Forward slash here and forward slash here. Save this. And now if I go to my blog, you can check this, and it will return me this pages over here. So you can see that if I click this, now it will go to the appropriate blog. So this is, we have done a complete website. I will share the links in the description, and if you have any queries, post in the comments please. So thank you for watching, guys.